Chapter 7. Countable and Uncountable Nouns. Countable nouns. Generally speaking, nouns that can be counted have their plurals, for example, horse, mouse, grocer, street. Countables may be used with such words as a, one, two, few, a few, many. Example, a city, one book, two mice, a few horses, many streets. Uncountable nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted have no plurals. Nouns that stand for things that cannot be counted may be either material nouns or abstract nouns. Examples: material nouns: wood, metal, china, glass, hair, silver, sugar, rice, meat, air. Abstract noun: music, health, justice, bravery, truth, power, kindness, peace, slavery, freedom. Note: an abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action, or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs. Uncountables cannot be used with words such as a, one, two, few, a few, many, but may be used with little, a little, and much. We cannot say a silver, one sugar, a health. Nouns of this kind must not be used in the plural. There are some nouns that have no plurals. He gave me some good advice, singular. They gave us some good advice, plural. We love classical music, singular. They are fond of all kinds of music, plural. He gave me permission to leave, singular. They gave us permission to leave, plural. The scenery around this village is pleasant, singular. The scenery around these villages is pleasant, plural. My furniture was made of the best teak wood, singular. Our furniture was made of the best teak wood, plural. I wear warm clothing in winter, singular. We wear warm clothing in winter, plural. This cup is made of silver, singular. These cups are made of silver, plural. I am so busy that I have no leisure, singular. We are so busy that we have no leisure, plural. I have little freedom at school, singular. We have little freedom at schools, plural. He had much fun as a child, singular. They had much fun as children, plural. Certain nouns have the same form in the singular and the plural. Deer, a large number of deer are running. Dozen, I want 3 dozen of these eggs. Fish, the child caught a lot of fish. Gross, 24 dozen make 2 gross. Innings, our team made 340 runs in its first innings. Salmon, the river is full of salmon. Sheep, sheep give us wool. Trot, the pool is full of trot. Certain nouns have no singular form, they are used only in the plural form. Bellows, dregs, caves, gallows, measles, news, pliers, scissors, shorts, spectacles, thanks, tongs, tweezers, trousers. Abstract nouns are formed from adjectives as goodness from good, honesty from honest, bravery from brave, truth from true. From verbs as obedience from obey, choice from choose, laughter from laugh, advice from advise. From common nouns as childhood from child, slavery from slave, heroism from hero, friendship from friend.